Hello and welcome back to Obscure Jewels, where I am your host, as well as your narrator, Crayola Coaster. And today, we'll be reading from Cookie's First Book of Numbers by Sesame Street Workshop. So as always, if you have a copy, please grab your copy and let's read together. 1. One cookie for Cookie is always such fun.
Cookie.
2. Special friends hope they'll hit a home run. What other single things can you count? What other pairs of things can you count?
2.
3.
3.
Happy friends sit looking at their books, while 4 colorful jackets are hung onto hooks. What other groups of 3 can you count? What other groups of 4 can you count?
4.
5. Elmo and Zoe toss 5 balls on the beach,
5.
while 6 silly crabs scamper just out of reach. What other groups of 5 can you count? What other groups of 6 can you count? 6. 7. 7 cute snowmen line up on the hill,
7.
while Abby Kadabi makes 8s with great skills. What other groups of 7 can you count? What other groups of 8 can you count?
8.
9. 9 silly bats join the count in his fun.
9.
10 treats for Cookie.
Cookie.
Will he eat every one? What other groups of 9
9
can you count? What other groups of 10 can you count?
10.
The end. And that was Cookie's First Book of Numbers by Sesame Street Workshop. Thank you all a million times over for tuning in, liking, subscribing, sharing, following, telling a friend. Thank you. And until next time, always and forever, keep reading. Thank you. Bye.